Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door bean in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new door bean. The door bean is located on the refrigerator door. It's used for additional storage of produce. The most common reason to replace the door bean is if it cracks and no longer stays in place or keeps the food in. To get it apart, we need to open the fresh food compartment. To remove the old door bean, we need to push it up to free the side tabs, and we can pull it out. This is the old door bean next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we're going to install the new door bean. We're going to choose where it's going to go, how high, and I'm going to slide it in and push it down. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.